Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So as you know, last time I showed you guys on how to remove your MacBook Pro. This is a 2011 unibody MacBook Pro 13-inch. So I removed the battery. This one is the old one. And then I just got the new, actually not new, brand new, but it's a used original battery. I didn't want to buy the aftermarket one because this doesn't seem like it's gonna last. So let's go ahead and open this up real quick. So it packed with this bubble envelope. And come with this Ziploc bag. So I showed you guys before, you need to use your screwdriver, either 0 or 00. I know I shouldn't put back the screws, but didn't want to lose the screws, so gotta start taking this out again. You gotta be careful what I showed you guys last time. There are like 3 of the screws that are pretty long size, and then all the rest of them are just short, stubby kind. So this is a long one, long, okay. If you guys want to compare the size, in case you guys missed it. Make sure you have enough force to press it down, or else you're gonna strip the head. So these 3 are the long screws, and then the one on the left hand side, this is the back, is a short one. How do you know if your battery is low? When the battery display shows 0%, or when you unplug your charging cable or the adapter, your computer shuts off right away. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove the back cover. Forgot I got this 2 other long black screw that I put in there so I don't lose it. One short one right here, and then one long one right there. So I need a tri-point screwdriver. Okay. So there you go. Both of them are tri-point. So the left hand side is a short one, then the right hand side are the long one. So I show you guys on the last video or the previous video, this battery somehow it got fat or bulge out, and when you screw this down, it's pushing against this mouse button, so it won't allow you to click it right. And right now when I remove it, it works fine. So I just want to show you guys when I press the power button, nothing shows up. Or when I connected the cable, it shows green. Most likely it's going to boot up by itself. Let me boot it up. Well, let me go ahead and then install this use battery, and then boot it up. Hopefully it's charged. So it is not charged or something. I try to boot it up, it doesn't boot up. So yeah, this is the old one. Let's try it one more time. So as you can see, this time it boot up pretty fast. The bar keep on going. One tell right now, so. And then my button is working fine without lifting the unit. Alright, it shows 0%. Hopefully we're gonna charge it. So it seems like it's gonna charge because my adapter, it shows in amber color. Actually it's in an orange color. Before, when I tried to charge the battery, when it's at 0, it just shows green over here. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. As you can see, I show you guys when your battery is totally dead, it's going to cause your computer to run very, very slow like a turtle. And once you disconnect it, you can boot it up and then test out yourself. And if that's off your case, then you need to change out the battery or just temporarily disconnect your battery so your system will not run like a turtle. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.